If you want to add people into your Telegram group, here are quick steps you need to take.
If you want to send requests for people to join your Telegram group, we have 3 ways. The first one is you inviting them directly using their number saved on your phone. The other one is where you share. So let us see how it works. So you go ahead and click on the Telegram. After clicking on the Telegram, you select the group name. Select the group name. When you select the group name, you look up again, you will see here, select on it again. When it opens, please click on invite links. When you click on invite links, it will open this way. You go ahead and click on create new link. When it opens, when you click on it, it will open. You come here and on this. On it, please. When you on it, you look up, you see create. You click on create. When you click on create, it has created a new link for us. But this link doesn't last, so the person will have to make use of it immediately. So you can decide to copy, which is the second option, or you decide to share, which is the third option. So once you share it, those members you want them to join will join immediately.